Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time you're tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. I always appreciate the support that y'all give me. I went and checked my post office box, and look what I have, another package. Again, guys, thank y'all so much for sending me these knives. I appreciate it. These knives come all the way from Wise, Virginia, from courtesy of Michael Miller. I appreciate it so much, Mike. We're going to see what he sent. Got some scales from a Victorinox. That's a Winger there. That's a symbol of a Winger. The Victorinox symbol is that right there. Winger, which is Swiss made, still good knives. And that's a Victorinox right there. And we got 3 knives. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thanks again, Mike. Let's see what we got here. Feels like Christmas time. Whoa. I think that's a Winger. Yeah, see? It's a Winger. Great knives, though. Great knives. I'm going to be able to clean these up. That's a beautiful knife here now. Beautiful knife. It's got a flat tip screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper, can opener. It's got a saw right here. Look at that saw blade. Like it's ever been used. You got a pair of shears. Might need a spring somewhere. Oh, there it is. The Victorinox has a spring. This don't have the spring on the shears, but they cut good too. Then you got the main blade, of course. And you have a corkscrew, which I think all y'all know how I feel about the corkscrew. It's a big old waste to me. I think they need to put a Phillips head screwdriver on every one of them. Then you got a punch blade, which this ain't a sewing blade. The Victorinox has a sewing blade where it has a hole in it. I kind of favor Victorinox more than I do the Winger Swiss Army knife. I like Winger, but I love Victorinox. But yeah, thanks, Mike. This is a great knife. All right, what's the next knife? I think this is a Winger too, ain't it? It is a Winger. How about that? This is a nice knife. Shears work good. I think it's about almost the same kind of knife. It's got a small blade on it. Does that one have a small blade on this? This one don't have a small blade. It has a fingernail file. This one has a small blade on it. The shears and got a lot of whack. Let's see. There we go. This has pliers on it. See, I like these now. I like the pliers on these. And this has shears too. Yeah, this is a nice knife here now. Got a punch blade. And see here? That's what I like. I like this one. It's got pliers and a Phillips head. See here where that one's got a corkscrew. I will never use that corkscrew. These are my favorite ones here with the Phillips head. Thanks, Mike. I really appreciate this, man. Appreciate it so much, dude. It's Christmas time, I'm telling you. I love it. See what this one is. Whoa. I can tell you right now, the handles are bone. Check that out. I don't know what kind this is. It's surgical steel. I don't know. I'll clean it up though. Looked like they had some type of name right there. It scratched off. Thank you, Mike, for these knives, man. I appreciate that. I wonder if there's a fit on there. Yeah, a fit on there. How about that? I'm gonna carry this one for a while, man. Gonna clean them up, and I'm gonna carry this one for a little while. I like it. I'm gonna order some Winger scales. That's perfect, Mike. Thank you, buddy. How about that? I'm gonna clean this one up. I'm gonna carry it for a little while. Sharpen it. It's pretty sharp now. I love these ones with the pliers. Pliers in them. And the Phillips head. Again, guys, thank y'all so much for sending me knives like this. I love it. I really do. And I'm going to clean this one up. I'm going to clean them all up. Try to fix that bone. I've got a piece of cow bone that I have. I'll probably cut a piece off and make that fit and glue it. I don't know yet. We'll see what, we might even put deer on it. I don't know yet. But I know for a fact I'm going to be cleaning these up soon and ordering new scales for them. But thanks again, Mike. I really appreciate it, buddy, so much. Can't wait to carry this one for a little while. Again, Mike, thank you so much for all these knives. I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, man. And thank you all who sent me knives. And thank you all to all the subscribers I have. Thank you for all the views that I have. Just want to thank y'all so much. A lot of people have asked me, do I work on folks' knives? And the answer is no, because I don't want to mess up somebody's granddad's knife, a knife that has sentimental value, because I'm telling you, repairs don't go as planned all the time. They just don't. I mean, anytime you're working on an old knife or a broken knife, you just don't know the condition of the pins, and you can mess up handles, bolsters. It's just very easy to do, and you got to be very careful. And I just don't want to mess up nobody's sentimental knife. And then we got to worry about shipping them back, and they could get lost in the mail. So hopefully you can watch the videos that I do and do them yourself. So I appreciate the offer, though. I really do. I appreciate it so much, and I appreciate that you think highly of me enough to do that kind of repair work, whatever it is. But I wouldn't know what to charge, and I just really don't want to start that. I just like going hunting for knives, and if I buy a knife and mess it up, that's on me. You know what I mean? And it's nothing against y'all. It's not that I don't want to do it. It's just that I don't trust myself enough to work on somebody's granddad's knife. You know what I mean? So I hope y'all understand. But thank y'all again, guys. My post office box is in the description. If you want to send me some knives, I'll review them. I'll do a video on them. And if I can repair them, I will. If I'll use them as spare parts, I will. But thank y'all again. I just want to say God bless y'all. Hope y'all have a great day. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.